Korean barbecue is a tasty and traditional meal that is often made from beef, chicken, or pork. This marinade is specifically designed for chicken and pork, though other meats or veggies can be used as well. This sauce is hot and spicy, so please be aware of that before purchasing. If you like spicy barbecue, then you will love this product. This marinade is manufactured by CJ Foods, which was founded in 1978. And since its opening has become a major manufacturer of Korean food products. This marinade is distributed from California and is a product of South Korea. The devotion of CJ Foods to health, happiness, and convenience ensures that their food products are of top quality for freshness and flavor. Since this is a hot and spicy version of Korean barbecue marinade, it is perfect for lovers of spicy foods. Though this marinade is spicy, it is full of other flavorful ingredients that make it taste great. Soy sauce, garlic, and cooking rice wine create a nice balance of umami with a hint of sweetness. This product also contains pear and apple puree for a sweet and fruity flavor and to create a tender meat texture. The fruit purees contain enzymes that help break down tough meats. This bottle of hot and spicy marinade has a serving size of 1 tablespoon and a total of 70 servings per container. Each serving has 20 calories and 300 milligrams of sodium, 5 grams of total carbs, and 4 grams of sugar. This product contains wheat and soybean and is produced in a facility that also uses fish, milk, and shellfish. Please keep this in mind if you have any of these food allergies. This product has a long shelf life of over 1 year. After opening, be sure to keep it refrigerated to preserve freshness and flavor. The label on the bottle shows one way you can use this marinade. Take 2.2 pounds of chicken or pork and marinate it with 0.45 pounds of this CJ Korean barbecue sauce for an hour or longer. After the meat has marinated, grill both sides by flipping continuously to avoid burning. There are convenient markings on the label that show how much marinade should be used according to the amount of meat you are marinating. If you are marinating 5.3 pounds of meat, then use the marinade down to the indicated line, and so forth. Now I'm going to open up this bottle and show you inside. We first need to remove the plastic seal on the outside. Underneath the lid, you'll see there's a seal for freshness. Now I'm going to pour some out to show you the color, texture, and consistency of this marinade. As you can see, it has a deep red color. It smells spicy and has a thick consistency. This marinade is perfect for anyone who loves spicy grilled barbecue chicken. I hope you'll try it out to taste the superior flavor of CJ Foods.
Enjoy. Bye bye.